are some of our words on here that we can make from our root word rupt, to break or burst? We already have interrupt here. It's almost the same, but without the past tense ed on there, right? And it would mean to break or burst between. So we're going to break or burst between someone else doing something and kind of break into their conversation or break into their event, right? So like if Emery's dad yelled out, "Hey, Emery," he would be interrupting our lesson, right? Is that something Dad would do? No, he listens, he lets you work. All right, so Ebony, how about you pick another word on our tree that we can talk about today?
Interruptible.
Good, interruptible. That one sounds kind of funny, right? So that's very similar to our word interrupt, but it's changed a little bit by that suffix. We have this -able suffix. Do you guys recall what that was from our review? It's like able. So it just changed. So go ahead.
To do something?
Yeah, it's to be able to do it. So you're able to do what, Emery?
To break.
Yeah, to break it between, right? You're able to interrupt something. If something's interruptible, it's easy to break it apart or interrupt them. Yeah, good choice, Ebony. Emery, do you want to pick one?
Erupt.
Erupt. What do you think that means based on our prefixes and suffixes and root words?
To blow up.
Yeah, that's what we know it to mean, right? What do you know that erupts?
Volcanoes.
Good. So now let's use our morphemes to figure out if that definition fits. So to break or burst, and what did E mean? Let's go back to our, what did E mean?
Out.
Out. So what would erupt mean? To break or burst?
Out.
Out. Does that make sense with a volcano erupting? All the lava is going to do what?
Go out.
Go out of the volcano. It's going to break out of it, right? Very good word choice. That was a smart word choice because we're actually going to be using that in our sentence in a little bit in a slightly different way. So we're going to talk about that because erupt can mean a volcano, but something else can erupt too. And we'll talk about that in our sentence.